Okay, so I purchased a different pump for my car and our tires with like heat and cold fluctuations in our area. The tires are always flat. So, but my husband stole it and it's in his car all the time. So I decided to pick up this one as well. It's a Ryobi automatic tire pump. You can use it for other things as well, like balls or mattresses or whatever. But it uses, the other one I use actually hooks up to the cigarette lighter thing in my car. This one actually uses the Ryobi battery, which I have, of course. So this is just nice because I don't have to plug it in anywhere besides right here. So you set it to your PSI that you want. In this case, I have it to 33 because that's what it says on my car. Right now it's at 23, 28 something. And you press the button and it's gonna pump and let me know when it's done. It's always a good idea to stand away from your tire when you're pumping it up, just in case something goes wrong. And but this is supposed to turn off when it gets to the correct PSI. Okay, and as you can see, it turned automatically off. It's at 33. So now I can unscrew it. This screws right on and unscrews. And I can replace my cap here. So I'm gonna go do the other three tires, and but that's all there is to it. I think overall it seems like a pretty good set. Includes a bunch of stuff here attached. This particular one did not come with a battery. Ordered it off Amazon. Actually, no, I didn't. I ordered it. No, I got it at Home Depot. That's where I got it. I had batteries already, so I didn't need any more. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Hope this was helpful.